Good morning. Today we will discuss about the economic condition of Roman Empire. As you know that Roman Empire was a great empire. Empire was a huge empire. It was an empire across continents. It is called. ये कई सारे महादेशों में ये एम्पायर स्प्रेड था. It included, its headquarter was Rome, which is in Italy, but this empire, Roman Empire, was spread in Europe, Eastern Asia, which is called Near East, and North Africa. North Africa. So it was a huge empire. Such a big empire cannot exist on weak economic condition. So the economic condition of the empire was very strong. And only because of their economic prosperity, economic strength, the Romans were able to create such a huge empire. There were harbors to export product to distant areas. Then there were mining activities. There were production activities. Production, and mainly production of olive oil and wine. These two products were the most important product of exports. ये exports के दो बड़े important products थे. Initially, the olive oil and wine were exported in containers, and these containers are called amphorae. And the fragments of these containers have been obtained from different parts of these areas. Only from Rome, nearly 50 million pieces, fragments and shreds of these containers have been found. Initially the biggest producer of olive oil was southern France. Southern Spain was the largest producer of olive oil and the business of Spanish olive oil reached its climax in nearly 160 CE. By 140 and 160 AD, the export and production of Spanish olive oil reached its climax. Because of these periods, huge number of containers have been obtained from Mediterranean areas. After that, in the 3rd and 4th century, North African regions became largest exporter. Because of 3rd and 4th century, we find more containers of produce in North African countries, because the clay used in the production of these containers match with the clay of North African region. However, after 460 AD or CE, okay, the Near East, that is Near East, mainly Palestine became the largest producer of olive oil. The prosperity of this region depended mainly on the production of olive oil, and this was an important item of earning huge money for the kingdom. Okay. Not only that, even the agricultural production, large areas of Roman Empire were very fertile. These areas were densely populated. Okay, for example, Sicily, then southern France, southern Spain. These areas were densely populated because these were very fertile. Agriculture was quite prosperous. However, one community, that is the pastoralists, they were poor. Their condition was bad in Roman Empire, and they were also considered as a problem for law and order. And that is why their movement was within the state, within the kingdom, was strictly regulated. Overall, the condition of Roman Empire shows contradictory features. On the one hand, there were very rich and prosperous people, and on the other hand, there were workers, slaves, and pastoralists whose condition was a little bad. Thank you, please.